Hi, this is a recording of a live session on Twitch. It will be a very long video and that's why I put timestamp, so clickable link, inside the description to help you jump directly to the part that interests you. In this specific video, what I do is I create a new project, so a static website done in .NET Core Blazor to manage all the short URL generated by AZ URL Shortener, another project I did on that stream. So I will start creating all the documentation that I need, and then I will show you how to create an app registration in the Azure portal, and then create a .NET Core WebAssembly with Blazor, and show you how you could use Azure Active Directory to log in your application. Ready? Let's watch the video. And we're live! Did you like the new intro? I love it. And it turns my mic on automatically. Whee! No more forget. It's awesome! Welcome to the stream! Let me lower my volume. I was dancing, so. Welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher, a Microsoft Cloud advocate, and this is my playground, this is my favorite moment of the weeks where I'm with you, coding, sharing, building stuff in the cloud. I like that, I love that. And today we're starting a new project, so super happy about that. We're starting a tiny Blazor admin website. So for the URL shortener, WebAssembly, web application that will manage our shortener URL. It will be a static website, super tiny, so we'll put that in the blob storage, cutting in, I don't know, in so tiny pieces the cost of this tool that it will be a joke. I'm kind of too excited today. Hey!
Bonjour! Hi!
Bonjour, Fragbird! How are you? How was your week? Good morning! Did you see the intro? Did you arrive in time to see the intro? I have a new intro. I can replay it if you want. Yeah, no kidding, it's true. Yeah, it's true. I'm kind of all excited today because I was in my bubble, but yeah, it was a very sad week. Okay, I will replay. I cannot use, so I have now a multitask button, so when I press that, it turns on the mic, start the recording, do all the thing for me, so I won't forget the mic anymore. This is awesome. Okay, let's, so usually I'm something like, you know, starting soon, and then I have this thing. And it automatically switch scene to me. Did you hear some kind of funky music from that thing? Because on my side I didn't hear anything. I just put that quickly on to place this morning. You liked it? Cool. Okay, so you did hear, well, not the music that is playing right now, like the music of the animation, right? Maybe I should have an event like blowing up. I think I need, yeah, I will need something. Ideally, what will be cool is having, when I do the countdown, I have like the whatever music at X point, the music should go off, my jingle should start. When we arrive at liftoff, like the 5 minutes countdown is done, then that animation start without any music, just like that thing, and then switch to me. I think that would be the best. Anyway. Yeah, jazzy kind of, yep. First it was with a little alien in a spaceship kind of thing. round spaceship. How do you like how to coop? I call that in English. And it was with like a little funny voice, but I was like, I would like to have clouds instead of an alien. Like I feel like I feel more. I identify myself more at cloud than alien. I hope not too much alien. I'm very white this morning. This is better. This is kind of a little bit better. Cool. Oh, so if you want to try right now the drop HYFSS blah blah, that it will work now. Like before, like I didn't have during the animation, I didn't put the drop overlay. But if you try now, it will work. Didn't see that scene either. Why? It should. It's not there. But we hear it. So maybe it's under something? Let me check. Chat, top right panel, alert, live coder. Oh, I should change that. We changed the date, right? Or did we? I'm not sure anymore. I need to go back in the... Okay, let me check if I can add it. Yeah, apparently I forgot to add it. So I think it's browser source. And it's pixel parachute. There it is. Now it should work. Yeah, now it's working. Sorry about that. It was missing. Yay. Now I can... Oh no, it's the other end. Oh, and you will land. Wow, that's cool. First try. 1402. And you know what happened when this happened? You get in the notes. .02. And now I need to grab your name. There it is. And since you're only with Fragbird, you're a good chance because Fragbird is the most yeah, he's not very good at that game. I like you, Fragbird. You know that, right? So, oh, I didn't put my I didn't start the power tool. So today, the plan of the day, like I said, it's to work on our new tool, the new project, the tiny Blazor admin. And I switched scene. What? Oh, it's not there too. What happened? Did all my stuff, browser source, pixel parachute, voila, now it's there. I don't know why. I think I didn't have it on that scene. On that one I have it, that's for sure. Yeah. Okay, so plan of the day. I have a bunch of stuff to do in the Azure URL shortener. Oh, I want to. Oh, I stopped to. Okay, focus for at least 30 seconds. I have a lot of stuff to do in the Azure URL shortener. I got some PRs, some pull requests. PRs, the same thing. I have some issue. I want to code a little bit, fix some bugs and stuff. Add documentation for the domain name. But I said I was about to have like a temporary code freeze on that version, and that I want to start the tiny Blazor admin, because that's at the end, and as soon as possible, I want this one to be the default, because it would be way more cheaper than running a website. So today I will ignore the big website, the big project. We'll start that one. We'll see how far we go. I want to have instruction. So as I'm building that, I want to add instruction, like temporary instruction, before everything is automated. I want instruction, so if you're interested, what you need to do to be able to run it on your side. So we'll build that, and at the end, it's always useful to have all those documentation, or I will create a blog post, or and most likely a video, but you know, a lot of time I pair my videos with blog posts, so we'll have some content in a simple. So yeah, so that's the plan of today. So I already created a board, a very sad board. Well, that's a good one. And I think the first card I want to add is, we should add first columns, right? So columns will be to-dos. We'll have in progress. And we'll have live or done. Publish, done. What's live? Let's call it just done, so it's short. Done. So the first, maybe here instead of issues, I could say backlog. Is it how you spell that? Backlog? So I want some art project, because I think every project deserves a good logo or art. Come on. Okay. So now we have no labels. Wow, create labels. Let's say documentation. That's blue, right? And then we have front end. I really don't remember the color of that. Boom. And then we have question. That would be pink. Boom. Come on. Why are you not working? Should I update? What's the problem? Manage label. Doesn't like the pink one. Question. Pink. Create label. Cancel. questions? Darker pink? Okay. I don't know. Oh, we have claimed. That was purple, I think. What else should we add? What else? What do we have here as labels? Oh, we have deployment. That was yellow. Okay, we should keep the same color. Labels. There it is. Let's be smart here and create the same color. Oh yeah, we need bug. Come on. Bug. That's a big red. What? What's happening here? Are you having trouble communicating with something? Let's reboot the app. Did you try to turn it off and turn it on again, right? And you know what, let's do it. I usually prefer doing my labels in labels. Okay, so bugs is already there, claim is good, documentation is the same blue, excellent. Oh, I should delete that one. It was duplicated, exactly. Enhancement, that's good. Front end was the old pink. So delete this one here. Front end is supposed to be the old pink. The project is front end, so like everything will be kind of front end. Anyway, yeah, our feature requests could be a good one, right? Pending? I think pending is very nice too, because oh, and I preferred that color. What was the color here of pending? The orange. Orange is not that bad though. Yeah, and I should put a description. That's nice. I think it's good for a start, right? I wonder. Okay, so now we have all our stuff. So I don't know why it was not present. The description here didn't work. There, yeah, maybe there's something wrong with. Do I have my VPN open? Nope. Need a logo. Labels. Now we have. There it is. So it's help wanted because, you know, enhancement. And where is the documentation? There it is. Awesome. Cool. Task will be logo and wallpaper. I'm pretty sure you don't. It's a wrong spelling for wallpaper. Yeah, it was only one P. Edit. Wallpaper. You know wallpaper? Do you know wallpaper? Calm down. Maybe it's the music. Well, you know what? I think that was happy or something. Let's go in EDM. Techno beat. Cool. Okay. There it is. There it is. So we have that. We won't. Let's start for now. That's like, yeah, like automatic deployment. That's kind of a given, right? That will be documentation, enhancement, and it's did I remove deployment? Yeah, looked like I removed deployment. Deployment was yellow. Now it's just invalid. You know what? Let's edit invalid because I don't like it. Manage label. No more invalid. That will be deployment day. I don't think there's, you know, if it's a wrong something, then yeah. Okay, so feature request, no, it's a deployment thing. There it is. Excellent. Okay, so you know, a CI/CD Frank, type in English, deploy button, something cool. Great. So now that we have basic stuff, it's a good background, right? And by the way, just to make it super clear, like inner cloud planning things, we are doing this task here, right? To create the WebAssembly for URL shortener. So we're still like that's in progress. So let's go back to the other one. Close that. Okay. So now let's bring this. No, come on, just there it is. Close this guy, maximize. Let's close this. Oh yeah, should we deploy? We'll deploy it, but without front end. I should zoom a little. Boom, boom. Voila. So we'll create a new resource group. Stream demo, right? That's my usual stream demo. Whoa! You're in fire, HY. 84, 35. 84.35. Oh no, that was Fragbird. Hey! No. I was 84.35, right? I should have something that take notes of that. I need to. I have so much stuff to do. And yet, on the evening, I just Netflix and chill. These days, I've been so tired at the end of the day. Yesterday, I was trying to check some issues and I was like, wow, it's been like 2 times I read the thing and I still don't understand. I was like, I think that's a message. Like, I'm too tired. I shouldn't be coding. Okay, so stream demo, that's our resource group. Well, I will be deploying in ECOS. Let's call it tiny backend, and it will be headless. Let's do Frankie's notes, just for fun. Frankie's notes. Yes, master, blah blah blah. Frank, and I don't need those 2 value here because I don't deploy any front end. So that's cool. Agree. So I should take a screenshot. So yeah, like if you want to use the tiny thing, you need the back end. So you know what? Let's do that as I'm thinking about it. So I'm doing something like this. Right, so we have a nice thing, and now let's save that. Desktop, yep. Create backend, because I want to document everything, right, as we are doing it. So let's go. So I'm way too excited today. I got 2 coffee today. I had a meeting with someone. I'm a mentor of someone, and we had our meeting very early this morning, 6 my time, because he is in Europe. So I had 2 coffee. So now it's been a while I'm awake, and it's party time. Party time. Yep. Bing, bing. What? Anyway, okay. I'm looking too many stuff. Okay, so while this is deploying, let's go back in. So this is the notes. I don't want the notes. Oh, maybe we should have some task for create the app and stuff like that, right? So like that's definitely in progress. So right? Cool. So that's I will assign it to me since I'm working on that right now. It will be documentation, and it will be, so that's one creatable product. It's front end. Here also assigned to me, and the labels will be documentation. And like, yeah, if someone wanna help, they can. Right? Right. And we are working on that. I should, well, that's good. Okay, and the board, this board is also available. So if we go back in the project, do I have the folder open? I think I do. Yep. So that's our folder. So we'll open that in VS Code, because why not? I don't like when they put music. I'm planning also to change the music. I'm going to the lo-fi that I'm like, I will spend some bucks, I think. Screw it. Like, you know, I'm picky on my music. Okay, so let's start by the README. So I'm thinking we definitely need a folder named media. We also need something like src for the source, right? No, not a subfolder though. Nope, that was a mistake. I want this thing here. Boom, voila. For now, that's all we need. We already have a picture to put over there. Come on. Where are you? Oh yeah, we need to put this. Okay, so here, that's our project. So in media, we want to put this thing in media. Voila. Also, I want to add the thing we're working on. So get cracking. If we go back in our board, the tasks we're working on right now are Tiny03, Tiny3, Tiny4. You like my prefix? Tiny? I thought it was funny. So. Tiny04, so Tiny03 was the create MVP. And here was write deployment, manual deployment doc. Manual deployment doc. I'm hearing the door, the dog is sneaking in. Hello? Hello?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hello! Hello! Shirley Dev, how are you? Buene. Oh, and Copper Birdie is also there. No, Copper Birdie. Yeah, Copper Birdie. Welcome, Copper Birdie. How are you? Drop me. Boom. My dog just want to play. Come here. Mita. So let's go bigger. So that's our little dog. And my daughter wanna make her the mascot of my YouTube channel for a mini cloud. And she just wanna play. She's looking at me bringing all the toys around. Like, I'm not playing right now. Not for a little while. I'm doing okay, Copper Rudy. I'm very pumped up this morning. I think I had, like, it's been a while. I've been awake for a few hours already. I have 2 coffee. I went outside, a bunch of stuff, so I'm like 100% awake. But this week has been hard. A lot of things. You work a lot, but then nothing happened because of the current situation. So I understand. Like, I agree with like postponing events and stuff like that, but you don't want to assume event will be postponed, so like you're still working super hard for it. So every evening I've been very tired, and like I was looking forward to code, or like I have different project that I'm preparing on, and I was like, I feel like it's not working. So yeah, it's a strange week, but I'm blessed, so I have nothing to complain, seriously. But yeah. So today we're just starting a new project. So the tiny Blazor admin. And we're just starting. So we want to add the code as we create the documentation. So, we need the URL of our things. Should do a few copy paste here. Oh, we have our resource ready. Excellent. Let's go here. Oh yeah, we'll need to add contributor also and everything in that project. So much stuff to do. And I was in the contributing section. Yep. Contributing section, if you want to go, blah blah blah. The glow board. There it is. Boom. And now if I go and get cracking, go general. No, that one. Yep. Now I'll have this. Put this there. Cool. Let's add a little bit more details here about what it is before we start. Hey, I'm not telling you really what it is, but this is how to deploy it. So admin tool for, okay, cool. So we could just add a reference here to the other project. That will simplify a lot of stuff. And after that, hey, thank you for the following, Dutch Performance. Really appreciated. Thank you. Looking forward to see you in the chat. So that's cool. So doing this, and we'll go there, put this. Let's go! Let's do it! Okay. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you hit the target and I don't notice, let me know, because I will add you to the stream notes. And today is a special day, everyone. You see that? Fragbird 84, and we have also HY that is 14, but yeah, 84. That's pretty good, eh? I think you just like being in my thumbnails. Oh, did you see your little name in my thumbnails, Fragbird? While I'm thinking about it, I should add the new follower here. There it is. You did? Well, it's fun, right? It's not often that you made it, so I was like, yeah, you deserve it, and it was perfect to. I don't like my thumbnail for my my stream, but I don't want to have just like me talking. I like the art, but then I think if I just put the art, it doesn't say that it's a live stream. So I don't know. I'm trying to find the middle. Oh, that's looking good. You will hit the target, but not as good as last time. 2 times in a row. Like, go buy a lotto ticket. I will be waiting. We'll be waiting for you. Just go. We'll chat while we go buy a lotto ticket, Fragbird, and we'll be waiting for you. Oh, see, it's nice now. Since I put it in all the scenes, it doesn't refresh. It stays there. I like that. Okay, let's focus a little bit. Okay, so it's an Blazor, you know. Okay. We need at least to focus a little bit, right? Otherwise, what was it again, the name? Dutch Performance will snap me on the fingers because I'm not coding. Okay. That's a word, right? Somewhere else. It's somewhere else. Yeah. I was like trying to... Doesn't compute 2 words. Thank you, everyone. Just trying to be efficient here. Calm down. A stream what you are watching. What? A stream is what you are watching. Dutch Performance. You just need drop. You don't need the me, Shirley Dev. Just on the side. If you want, you could put any icon though. What's okay? So what are okay? Sorry, I missed the question. Dutch Performance. So, what is the stream or dev notes? Okay, so yeah, so I have all on GitHub, and I want to change that to build like a GitHub page, so it's a little bit more, it's prettier. But on my GitHub, so you can always have that with exclamation point GitHub in the chat, but I will give it to you. I have a project called Stream Project, and here I have all the stream I do with usually like this is not up to date, and that's why I want to create something that is generated so things will get updated automatically, because this is a lot of maintenance for, I don't think a lot of people are looking into that. But I think it, like when you start and say, oh, I want to know everything about that thing, like you have everything there. So every stream is present here, and even like if you go journal, like see I stop at 90 and we are 102 stream today. So we have all the streams since the beginning, and every stream I've published my notes. So where you have like the URL for the Twitch or the YouTube video, the timestamp, the project, the notes, the new followers, everything is there. Sometimes I put some reference and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the stream notes. And I want to change this to be like GitHub page, I think they call that. It's Jekyll. So I think it will be a little bit, I will have a more control on the look. It will be easier, and also having something that could be generated. So if I push a new note, then it will be automatically be added to the full list, and I could maybe with tags or something add it to specific list or something. So I want to play a little bit with that, I think. But it's another project, right? Another one, because I don't have enough project and hide these in my explanation. That was interesting. Hope Copper Birdie. Dead center. Ah, but someone moved the target. Oh, that's a nice icon. Hyper Days. That's cool. You got it from an hyper train, Copper Birdie? That's a nice icon. Emote. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's go back to our stuff. So you can run it somewhere else. And even locally. Should we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Nah, just do like this. Create the backend. Not sure, huh? How can I make it so it's 1, 2, 3 maybe? So you will need to deploy the Azure URL shortener in headless mode. So now we can add a reference here for the images. So the image will be, come on. What? A create a... Okay, I thought for a second I thought it was PNG, JPEG, and I was like, what? Since when? So this, and then it's image, boom. And I'm never sure if I need to have the slash before or not. I think I don't. And it's not images, it's media. And I have uppercase. I shouldn't. No, that's fine. Wow, Cooper Birdie, you have a ton of really cool emote. Fancy unicorn. Okay, so now we could just do like this, bang bang. Oh, maybe I should. Oh, I should. You know what? I should have the button to deploy the backend. I could do that, right? I could just copy the code from my button here, and I say just copy that. Like, you know, click here, it will work. Yeah, let's do this. So my button is here. You're a shortener, yeah. Oh, there's one thing we should do here. So let's reopen this thing. Let's edit and open with Snagit. Drop. Oh, who's drop on the target? The real Shirley bot with 505. Did you create a bot just to play the game? Did you create a bot just to play the game? No. I have this bot account ready for when I create a bot. Add more friends. Yeah, of course. I prefer real people, but you know, that's fine. Okay, so here a thing I want to emphasis is that you should front end should be none. So let's do shape. Perfect. And we'll do like this. Oh, I picked black. I should have put my I always say to people, use white, and I don't do it. Well, let's do a call out instead. I want Is it the one I want? Yeah. So Okay, and here I think let's do that here. And I thought that's a party time. Woo woo woo. So many people. Oh, oh, oh. Damn. Eventually we'll get there. I thought I could do like not full line. Anyway, that's cool. Now let's do a call out. Again, we'll do this. Cool, so now the image is there, excellent. Okay, so this project is a front end only, so you will need to Shimbalum. You know who you should complain about, you know, if it's too hard? Well, I wish I could do those games. I have some ideas. Shlumbadum. That's how I read it. Shlumbadum. Shlum. Yeah, shlumbadum. Shlumbadum. Shlum. Sh. Lum. Lum a dum. Dub. Oh, shlumbadub. Yeah, it's not it's ub. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, okay. This project is a front end, so you should deploy blah 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 blah. To do it, click the blue button below, and make sure to select none as front end. Cool. It's okay, you're French. I'm a francophone. Well, yeah, Canadian French. Nah, it's not like it's not a problem. I don't take that as an insult. Yes, Canadian French from Quebec, but from Montreal, but it's in Quebec, province Quebec, so East Canada. See, and now everybody's falling. Okay, so who's under the ground guru? Like it's so tiny on my screen. Whoa, we got a new I score. Fragbird, you just been kicked out of your I score, dude. So Shirley Dev. Whoops, no. Here. It doesn't look strange at all. Shirley Dev and Shirley Dev but are in the score. It's not strange. It's not awkward. Well, at least you cannot say that this is what's the word? Trick or like temper, whatever. Rig. You should clip that. Like, see how many people land on the target. Okay, so I have this and another one. So Freda the cat. And here it's Shirley Dev, like this. And the last one was Grover's Service. So 89, 83 here. Whoops, I need to change that. Yeah, okay. Half the stream is I'm writing your high score, guys. You're keeping me busy, right? So 89.93, 89.93. And the highest score of the day is 92.87. Kind of good. I'm okay with that. Well, you made it twice today, Fragbird, so it's pretty cool. I'm 2 for 2 on landing. I'm calling it good. Yep, exactly. Do we get bonus point for landing? I wish that that could give you cloud points or something. I think what I could do is I think I will use that on my next stream because I need to check like yeah, what else? Oh, yeah, now I cannot get to it, but on my next stream I think I will use that to do my giveaway, so the highest score wins, or like everybody that, you know, I will say, okay, now let's play for a t-shirt, and like you could play for the t-shirt, or like a bunch of stickers, and you could play, and like if you land and you will have it. But I want to show you first what you could win. So, you know, like if you don't like the stickers or don't like the t-shirt, then you just say, oh, that's fine, like give it to the next one, I think. Oh, and there's my little Streamlabs reminder. I love that thing. Yeah, if you're Amazon Prime, use your Amazon Prime to subscribe. It's free, and it gives me more subscriber, and with that eventually I will have access to more emotes. Now I have a few emotes that when you are subscribing you could use, but I will have more. It's funny, it didn't show the first one. Boom. But following is just enough. Okay, so next thing is we'll need service principal. Yep. We need a service principal because I want to do that. Oh, 63 for code mistake. Thank you, Shirley Dev. Keeping me informed, preventing me of working here. I appreciate that. You know what? I would prefer not having the time to code at all and having you having fun and chilling and have a bunch of question and chit chat with you than being alone and be able to code straight for 2 hours. So I'm always happy to have a bunch of people having fun in the chat. What? 93? Did you all find the cheat? How can you do that? $93.55. Yeah. Well, I won't I want InstaFluff to do it. Though I could collaborate, but it's in JavaScript. But that's my chance. I could have like a shortcut key. So when Fragbird is about to land on the target, I could just move the target or send some wind draft, like to push it forward or something like that. You know, I'll have like cheat keys. But yeah, I could do that. I should. That could be a nice project, but did I miss another one? Of course we are friends, Fragbird. I mean, when I see that you're about to miss it, I will give it a push so you land on it. That's what I mean. Like, I'm sorry, you... Probably my French, you know, translation. It got lost in translation. It's probably that. So, oh, so you did a score, HY? Do you remember your score? But I should, like, you know what, like, that could be, yeah, I can't see his score either, it doesn't show up. But that could be interesting. I want to do the budget-friendly thing, and maybe after that we could have like a few weeks where we work, or maybe one day by week we work on that thing, doing a PR in his project. That could be cool, and I'm sure he will be like, InstaFluff is so nice that he will be helping me if I have trouble. Okay, so. Yeah, let's close that one. So that's the backend we created, and now we want to create an Active Directory, not an Active Directory, but a service principal. So we want to go and try to eat. This is my snack. Oh! But 25, like you got better than that, right? Yeah, you got 63 here. All in my face. Well, like, yeah, if... Come on. Don't be shy. Like, you know, could be a... It could be my thumbnail. Maybe. And Copper Birdie coming slowly at the last position and drop in the emptiness, in the void. We'll return after these messages. I need more practice. I don't do enough marbles game, Copper Birdie, with you when you explain the game. That's always funny. It's okay, so leading, and then the other, blah 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 at the end, and Okay, so now we need a service principal. No, it's only one by so Shuba Dub. Sorry. So Slumba. That will be your name. Sorry. Slumba. It's only once by the time it's displayed. So I think it stayed there for about 60 seconds or 90 seconds. After that it disappears and then you can try again. Okay, so now we need to create a service principal because I want my Active Directory to use, I want the app, the tiny Blazor, you know, because here we're supposed to be coding here, right?
I got a bad feeling about this.
No, it will be fine. Like, don't be worried. Like, we can code. I usually code a lot. I know it's Friday, but you know, usually I code. I'm not like, you know, those guys like, you know, Clarkio, chill all Friday long. I hope you got that. Clip that, send it to Clarkio. I usually code. I'm not like Clarkio. Who comes here to code? Me? That's my time where I can code and have fun. Oh man. Okay. So we want a service principal because I want to create the, you know, instead of having a little database and stuff like that, I thought, you know, when you are in Azure, you already have an Azure Active Directory. So we should use it. So we just need to have a service principal. And that should be pretty easy to do. So we could go and create here, and if you go Azure Active Directory and then you say I want to create an app registration. See, I have my stuff, and it's wonderful. It's hidden. Yeah. But I could use that. Okay, so let's app registration. I'll do a screenshot, and I'm sorry guys, put your sunglasses. I will turn back the theme to white, not white, but lighter. Whew, this is bright, right? Did I hear live coders where they code? What? Did I hear live coders where they code? That's yeah, live coders. We're supposed to be coding, but we're doing a bunch of different stuff. Oh, Copper Birdie. Oh no, that was not Copper Birdie. That was whew. Whoop, no, wrong window. Code by mistakes. Oh, I love that name. That was your first, right? That was your first. Where are you? And you did 72.59. Pretty good. That's a good score. I think, come on. You know, it's except the very bad Shirley Dev butt. Like, well, that's pretty good. I'm just sorry. I think I missed one of the score of HY. But other than that, you know, and since Shirley Dev is cheating, like, you know, like he deserved to be the last. Welcome to the Drop Game Show. Oh, I love the game because of the cloud. And I want to do a version, like, a thing I want to do is, like, okay, so yeah, I've been saying that I want to change my, oh, you missed the animation. Let me show you, I have a new animation. Okay, let me, so now what I have a multi-step stuff, so when I start streaming now, the mic is automatically turned on. That's cool, right? It records automatically, so I don't need to download when I forget to record locally. But also I have a new animation, so let me show. Let's pretend it's the beginning of the show, right? So I have this window here. Okay, so let's assume now that we are at the end of the countdown, so it's showing off the message liftoff. And now what I can do is, just 1 second, I need to pause the music here. And now I could go and say, the stream is starting. And then it switched to me. That's nice. Should get a little bit more light. How do you like it? You better liking it because I spend money on that. You need to fade from behind the... Yeah, we'll figure that out. The animation is done though, but I can tweak it probably a little bit. But yeah, use Fiverr. I don't know pronounce that correctly. Fiverr, I think. So I did that. So yeah, so I want to change my all the overlay and stuff like that, and I would like to have the cloud already all the time present. And with your cloud point, you could add more cloud or remove clouds. But I think one thing like that, I think that's possible and not too complicated. But a thing I would love is if I add the cloud also in my screen. So a way to annoy me would be to put a lot of cloud. And a little bit like, you know, when you are in what it's called, you know, bald builder, what's that? Triple B. Anyway, Triple B, Michael Jolly. You could put light teams. Where's the music? I want to start again. I can delete code by mistake. What? You need... Okay, so I read that. Copper Birdie does nice animation in Scratch. Is it a joke or he does it for real? I'm sorry, Copper Birdie, if I'm not aware of your talent, if it's a true one. I don't want to... Emphasis is Shirley Dev is just making fun of you. Oh, this is an application. Okay, no, I prefer mine. I'm sorry. No offense, but yeah. Not scary with that. So sure you have. Okay, so saying if Joe's, you can delete line 80 from the score. Why? Because code by mistake did a higher score, or just because you're a bad. I think, see, like in InstaFluff version, the score is drop in the chat. So he's doing something bad. Like I will need to ask him. Drop. Oh, you're all in line here. Hello, guys. No, code by mistake did. Oh. So. Ready? Okay. Yeah, he's here, code by mistake with 63. But didn't do. So who did 72? It was Shlumba? I just like Scratch language. I think Scratch language is pretty cool, Copperbirdy, so you're totally in the right to like it. For a glimpse, I had like, what's the time? We have plenty of time. I'm terrible at animation. I did a lot of animation back in Flash. Like that's how I start doing code. I was an animator. I was working with graphist people doing drawing, and I was making a lot of animation and dynamic stuff. And because of my ease with code and programmation, I was loading JSON file in my animation and making random stuff, and people were just like, "Whoa, how can you do that?" So I was pushing very far the action. I forgot how they call the language in Flash. Action script. I think it was action script. I love that. Should have a shield around Frank. They bounce up. That could be cool, right? Like kind of a. But I should have a command to shield and then boom. Like we're just making like version 2 of this this game. Like we definitely need to do a PR. Yeah, we should work on tiny thing and you know what? How about that? How many of you will join me if, let's say, a day a week, we're trying to make a PR on that game to add bunch of fun stuff like that? And if InstaFluff is open, but I'm sure he is, but like, would you join me? Because, you know, like JavaScript, I will need help, and you know, testers. Will you join me? Will you be present? Should I go do that on Friday, on Wednesday? Or no? You won't do it anyway. It's okay, delete the line. Okay. Okay. So now I'm reading. So Shumba saying that was the high score. Should I have? Don't need to add another line. You can delete. Okay, cool. Sure, you have drop. Pushing the boundaries. Everyone group over another side now. Oh, like now it's hidden, right? I don't see anything. I don't know JavaScript either. Oh, that's perfect. Like, we'll have fun, right? I'm assuming it's in JavaScript because it's... Oh, wow. That was cool. Copper birdie! What a score! Oh no, that was, yeah, that's Copper birdie, or it's code by mistake. It's code by mistake with 98. Guys, I need your score because like it's so tiny in my screen. Yeah, Comfy is GS, yeah. Boom! Code by mistake, 98. I think it's the highest score I ever see. Code by mistake. Now I cannot. I should be able to move myself to do the picture with you. I can do that. Can I? If I do this, and then I could move myself. For the thumbnail. I can cheat too. Ah, isn't it beautiful? Was it visible on your side, guy? Did you see me move, or I'm the only one who saw that because I didn't release it? Oh yeah. We saw it. Okay, cool. Okay, so yeah, okay, so now I need to do a screenshot of that. Screenshot and oh yeah. How can I? Oh, man. From home. Can I make it smaller just to remove some empty space? That's good. Boom! Voila! Okay, let's do this. Let's quickly take this. Whoops! And I'm not there anymore. Okay. So now let's do a little dot. Boom. And I want, yes, so you click here, and we can crop a little bit, right? Crop. We don't need all that crap. No, we don't need it yet. So this will be new registration, new registration. Oh. Interference. Cool. So when you do that, a fancy name. That's good. Right, I think that's it. Let's do a screenshot. I'm not sure of that URL though, but I don't need that. I don't want to. Yep, I'm fine with that. I'll just do create a new one, fill it, and then we'll need some information. It's funny how they before it was hidden and now it's display. So I'll need to delete that. Boom. So common. Whee! Cool, and if I'm not, we need the client ID and the tenant ID. Whoops, no, that's not what I want. This is the one I want. So we want shape, this, and those two things. Let's make it obvious that it's two things. Strange music. Feel like it matched with your name, Slumba, dude. Like oh, we have another score. I think you had better Groversaurus, right? Yeah, way better. Way better. After that, you know what, guys? I think he's probably streaming. After that, we need to go see InstaFluff. And just do a bunch of drops at the same time. I think he deserved it. Yeah, I think if InstaFluff is streaming after, I'm pretty sure he will. I will raid him, and we'll do a bunch of drops all together. Okay. So I have some docs here. I have my application ID, client ID, application ID. So that's the client ID, right? Boom. And tenant ID. Boom. I will delete everything after. Of course, see here, it's all hidden, but it's display on the next page. Okay, so from the Azure portal, portal.azure.com, open the Azure Active Directory. Boom. Page. Select the application registration from the left menu. Yeah. From, whoop, I don't see you anymore. Boom. Drop, 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 drop. Party time, party time. Oh, that was a speed run. Who was the super fast one? Like, that was a challenge. What's the lowest score? So now that everybody has like super perfect score, now we're looking for the lowest score. Shirley Bot. $4.99. From the left menu, option menu, select. What's easy for you? It's 0. Or we should open the border and then like you just continue. Man, no, man. I'm sure you could be fine. Okay, so stay friendly, everybody. Okay, from the left option menu, select the select, and now we have this. Sounds good. Sounds good. Cool. So I think we're ready. Yeah. So here, if we open the terminal, we should change to go in the subfolder. Voila. And now I'm wondering, I think, yeah, we'll do that. Because right now we have like the fat website and we'll have that tiny version, but a lot of like both are using Blazor, so we should have a library project. So I think I will have like 2 projects. I don't know how to create those 2 projects with the .NET New command. Oh, maybe you know, Copper Birdie, I saw you were playing with the Blazor a few days back. Was it you? So what I'm planning to use here is this command. So I will zoom to explain what I'm doing. So I want to do a .NET New, of course, with a Blazor WebAssembly. So it will be just client side, but still C#. I will be using the authentication single org, and I'm passing here the app registration that we just create. Like it was already created, but you know, client passing the client ID and the tenant ID. I will name, oh, that's not a good name, Blazor tests, and I want it in this folder. So let's change that. Stop drawing freehands. No, it's because I like that. I like doing... I know I could do this, but I like, you know, I like doing that. And I could do even something... Oh, I gotta try. Can I... Yeah, I could do something like, you know... It just responds strangely. I have a pen. I could be drawing. We could do a channel. Draw with Frank. Should I do that? I think I have something here. Let's do this. Frank video live. Right. Could be doing some drawing. Let's have some fun for a few seconds. Like this. Now I could have the frag bird parachute. It's not very good. No. Oh, the name is here though. I was about to write it there. Not bad? Wah! I should sign it. There it is. So you could do a screenshot. Clip it, share it. The new art channel of Frank. Yeah, you're right. Now I just need to find a picture of you to, you know, make the face that match a little bit more. Anyway, let's switch. Okay, just need to recap on the chat just in case something something good was there, except drop, drop, drop. Press shift if you draw a straight line. Yeah, but isn't it this better? You know, now that I'm aware of that, I will always do something like that. It's my heartbeat. Oh, my keycap just... Okay. Is this Windows Vista? No. Why? Guy from Mars? Why do you think it's Vista? XP? Sure do. Have we ever spoken on our stream? Oh no, okay, you're solid. Okay. Yeah, surely Dev. Him or his bot are like everywhere. I feel like two music are playing at the same time. Oh, who's code by mistake again? Landed. Cool. No, that's Windows 10. I'm running Windows 10, guys. Guy from Mars. Like the music is loud here. I don't want to yell. I'm already low on water. And you know, Brett told us, drinks water. It's water pause, guys. Or drop some waters. Drop. I just leave. Yeah, huh? No kidding. I hope you had a screenshot, Fragbird. I didn't delete it, so. Or a Java compiler. Oh man. Drop the bass. Is it real life? Oh man, this is good. Okay. Cool. So I think we're ready to create an app. So at least we'll have that done today, right? If anything today. Cool, so now we have a project. That's excellent. So now in app clients we have those things. So for people, they will need to clone that. Let's put just that we need to change those configuration, and we'll figure after how to do it. If it's like clone and then blah blah blah, or like, because you will need to deploy or something, right? So here, so oh yeah, okay. So we need to add some images also. So we'll have like ding ding ding. It's a JSON stuff. Ding ding ding. Since you like so much the drop, maybe I should have the Plink game that Instafluff also have, but there's no cloud in the I think I will just keep the drop since it's cloud team here. It's cloud friendly. Oh, this way. Bon. Mr. Bot here. 7988. $68. You're right. I told you it was tiny on my screen. Ah, so close. So close, Schlumba. Yeah? 6-8, yeah. Schlumba. Schlumbadoom. It's a little name. Okay, so now we need to add a few images. So let's add some images that we created. Well, since you know, you're too busy playing, I'm the only one working here. I just had some flashback of Michael Jolie at the last Live Coder conference, when he was like, yeah, no, a bunch of people annoying me when I'm trying to work. And did you see him, guys? Did you see the stream where Michael Jolie was burning the fart candle? I mostly peed my pants. It was so funny. It was so close to throw up. It was so funny. It was for a good cause, you know, getting money to feed some kids and stuff like that. But so he lit the candle for 30 minutes, but it was smelling so strong that it was barely able to focus, holding his breath a lot of the time. It was fantastic. Like, if you don't know the bald beard builder, there it is. Find his stream, Triple B, or you know, I should do something like that. He's not present though in the chat. Yeah. Oh, well, I should do a Copper Birdie, since you are a Live Coder friends. I should have done it before. Shout out to Copper Birdie, a Live Coder friends, and like if you go in Live Coders, there's also Triple B, Michael Jolie, that is there, and it was really funny. Like, really, really funny. Damn, it was so good. My daughter was on my in the other room, and she was like, and I was having a headset, so she didn't hear anything. She just hear me laughing and crying, and she was like, "What's happening, Dad?" Well, there's a man. He's about to throw up because he lit a fart candle while he's working, and she was like, "What? Why? Is it kind of a prank thing, like some friends did?" I said, no, he did it himself. You know, making sure that, you know, Michael Jolie looked very smart in my explanation. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't want to butcher your name. Just my name is Butcher, so that's why I'm doing it. No, I'm sorry. Like, I should, like, it's hard. I am trying so hard. Well, you see me how I'm trying to say like Bill Barter, Builder, and then I'm struggling with names. I'm really sorry, killing your name. But everybody's killing my name anyway, F. Butcheros. So that's fine, right? I want to try. So I will listen to it. So really thanks, Shirley Dev. And this way I will hear your pretty voice, Shirley Dev, right? I'm sure. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, focus, right? A few seconds before forgetting everything. Create a new registration. So how does that look? Oh, the snapshots are huge. That's fine. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, so then, so do this and update the update those values inside app setting.json. And I should put some because otherwise I will have probably some automation stuff that will get back to me and say, hey, you put a key. Authority client ID. Okay, that's cool. Oh, like, yeah, so... Oh. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I miss... Yeah, but code by mistake, I think he got better than that. Yeah, 98, sorry. Maybe you should assign us some French word to try to pronounce, and you can criticize. Oh, you could try to say tabarnak if you want. That's French Québécois. Even the French from France cannot say it correctly. It's swearing though. It's not. It's a bad word. Oh, thanks for the link, Copper Birdie, for Bard Bearder Builder. Yeah, Shirley Dev. Shirley Dev? No, Shirley Dev. He always does. But Shirley? How do you pronounce your... I thought it was Shirley Dev. I thought it was that one. And some not nice. I can't mention here what I call... F. Bush Rose. F. Bush Rose is in the town, so okay, drop. Say what? Oh, you want to know the Québécois swear word? Tabarnak. In fact, it's in the church. It's the little in a Christian church, the little box where they put the cup with like the bread and stuff. That name in French is a tabarnak, but in Québécois that's a swear, so we say tabarnak. But like, I shouldn't swear on my channel. It's supposed to be family friendly. So just say it how you want, Frank. It's fine. Nah. Shirley Dev. Shirley Dev. I thought it was Shirley Dev. It's not Shirley Dev. You know, you can always try to say Bonjour. Hi. Okay. So now we have an app. So now we should be able to run it, right? Right. Let's try it. So if I do F5 here, I'm not at the root. I think it will fail. Was it smart enough to find the project? Yeah. Oh, he found the project. That's cool. But it didn't work. Let's delete that launch thing. What's task? Yeah, let's remove those two. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. We'll reopen. Can I open? Let's go terminal here. Right now, do this SR. Yep. And do one more, I think. Yep, tiny. Now we'll do code. We'll open it in a new terminal. Voila. And now here we should have a git ignore, and I want to add the setting, right? The VS Code setting. Excellent, sir. What I want to do now, I forgot. Ah, damn, it's hard today. Saying focus. File, let's open, let's Control R. Let's open the AZURL shortener. You grade my Quebecois curse word pronunciation. Can I do it off stream? I don't wanna. I don't like, it's still swearing. I don't wanna have too much swear on my stream, but I will let you know. Okay, so now required asset, yes, add the asset. Yeah, see, the assets are there. I don't want them. What's wrong with that? Oh no, like those I want. It's the setting, but I didn't put any yet. Okay. So here, since it's Blazor, we'll put the... No. I want peacock thing. for my favorite color. And I want, oh, Azure Blue? No, purple, C-sharp purple. Boom. So, but does it show? Doesn't show, right? Off stream. Thank you. Cool. So we have our things. Now we have this new. So that will be our documentation page, and this will be our project. So if we add the terminal, so now we should be able to do a .NET build. That's cool. 35. I like you land like at every second time, right? You're pretty lucky at that game. You better be there at the next stream where I will be giving away some t-shirt and stickers, or like if you like stickers and t-shirts. So build succeed. So let's try to F5 this guy. See what happened. Proceed. Cool. Login should pop up the thing. I think you all saw already. Well, my password, I will just put it in the way. Cool. So it's working. Excellent. So now, cool. So it's working. So we should push, right? Yes. Say yes, everybody. Cloudies, it's time to say yes. Oh, time. Oh, I need to go. Oh, that's perfect. You know what? So we just have our rough stuff. So the plan, what I want to do. Oh, so you didn't decide. So if I'm doing, thank you for the following. Really appreciate it. I love that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. See, I didn't say your name now. So I cannot badly pronounce it, but thank you. You know I'm talking to you, right? So yeah, so you didn't say. Oui. Excellent. So should I go and try to edit that game to add all the stupid stuff we talked about? And, you know, maybe have some kind of collaboration with the chat so you could add more cloud, less cloud, and things like that? Should I do that on the Wednesday, on Friday? That's a vote. So in the chat, Friday or Wednesday. I could do a poll. No, I don't have the time to do a poll. I have 2 Fridays. Is it 2 time Shirley Dem? Yeah, it's 2 time Shirley Dem. You and your butt. So Friday, I'm free either. Cool. Friday. Okay, so Friday, next Friday. I'm just thinking, do I have conflict next Friday? No, I don't think I have Friday, because next week, I think it got postponed. So maybe, like, because I'm starting to stream also on the Learn TV. I was supposed to start Monday, but it got postponed. But, cancel. Okay. Sure. Sir, yes, sir. So, okay. So, Wednesday, we'll continue to work on that Tiny Blazor admin. And Friday, if I have the blessing of InstaFluff, but I'm pretty sure I will do that. Instead, you know what? We'll quickly wrap. You know what? I will push that. You know how to commit and push. So we'll go. Hopefully, he is streaming. So we'll go raid InstaFluff. So stay with me. We'll send him tons of parachute at the same time. And what we'll be doing, I will be asking if we can add stuff, if he would accept PRs.
Frames.
And he is live, so perfect, he's there. So we'll raid him. Stay with me, that will be cool, that will be a big raid. I think we're a few today, so that would be nice. So super happy, it was fun. Thank you so much to have passed Friday with you, with me. It was a blessing having you with me. It was super fun. I think you gave me a lot of energy to do my day. So I'm saying thanks, and we'll raid InstaFluff, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.